Joseph's mother, she was quite my favorite wife. I never really loved another all my life. But Joseph was my joy because he reminded me of her.
Through young Joseph, Jacob lived his youth again, loved him, praised him, gave him all he could, but then it made the rest feel second best. And even if we were
being told we're also friends, does not make us Joseph fans.
But where they have really missed the boat is
we're great guys, but no one seems to notice.
Joseph's charm and winning smile failed to sway them in the aisles, and their father couldn't see the danger, could not imagine any danger. He just saw in Joseph all his dreams come true. Jacob wanted to show the world he loved his son, to make it clear that Joseph was a special one. So Jacob bought his son a coat, a multicolored coat to wear.
Joseph's coat was elegant, the cut was fine. The taste of style was the ultimate design.
And this is why it caught the eye.
A king would stop and stare.
And when Joseph tried it on, he knew his sheepskin days were gone. Such a dazzling coat of many colors. How he loved his coat of many colors. In a class above the rest, it even went well with his vest. Such a stunning coat of many colors. How he loved his coat of many colors. Trumpet in the fields one day, the corn gave me a sign. Your 11 sheaves of corn all turned and bowed to mine. My sheep was quite a sight to see, a golden sheep and tall. Yours were green and second-rate, and really rather small. I dreamed I saw 11 stars, the sun, the moon, and sky. Bowing down before my star, it made me wonder why. Could it be that I was born for higher things than you? A post in someone's government, a ministry or two.
One thing we are sure about, the dreamer, 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 dreamer has to go.
Now into Joseph's prison cell flung two very bright men.
Tell me of your dreams, my friends, and I will tell you what they show. Though I cannot guarantee to get it right, I'll have a go.
First the batchman light on the floor. Nervously he spoke of what he saw.
There I was standing in front of the vine. I picked some whips and I crushed them to wine. I gave them to Pharaoh, who drank from my cup. I tried to interpret, but I had to give up. You will soon be free, my friend, so do not worry anymore. The king will let you out of here. You'll muddle as you did before.
Next, the baker rose to tell his dream, hoping it would have a similar theme.
There I was standing with baskets of bread. High in the sky, I saw birds overhead. Flew to my baskets and ate every slice. Give me the message, like this would be nice. Sad to say, your dream is not the kind of dream I'd like to get. Pharaoh has it in for you. Your execution date is set. Don't rely on all I said I saw. It's just that I have not been wrong before.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Joe. Go, 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 Joseph, you know what they say. Hang on, now, Joseph, you'll make me stay. Sha-la-la, Joseph, you're doing fine. You and your dream got ahead of your time. Go, 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 Joseph, you know what they say. Hang on, now, Joseph, you'll make me someday. Sha-la-la, Joseph, you're doing fine. You and your dream got ahead of your time. Ahead of your time.
7 years of bumper crops are on their way. Years of plenty, endless wheat and tons of hay. Your farms will boom, there won't be room to store the surplus food you grow. After that, the future doesn't look so bright. Egypt's luck will change completely overnight, and famine's hand will stop the land with food at all-time low. Noble king, there is no doubt what your dreams are all about. All these things you saw in your pajamas are a long-range forecast for your farmers, and I'm sure it's crossed your mind. What it is you have to find a man to lead you through the famine with a flair for economic planning. But who this man could be, I just don't know. Who this man could be, I just don't know. Who this man could be, I just don't know. Who this man could be, I just don't know.
Pharaoh said,
Well, Stone the Crows, this Joseph is a clever kid. Who'd have thought that 14 cows could mean the things he said they did? Joseph, you must help me further. I have found a job for you. You shall lead us through this crisis. You shall be my number 2.
Pharaoh told his guards to fetch a chisel from the local store, whereupon he ordered them to cut the chains that Joseph wore. Joseph got a royal pug and a host of splendid things, a chariot, a goat, a cloak, and a lance of signet rings. Joseph, Pharaoh's number 2. Joseph, Egypt looks to you. Joseph, Pharaoh's number 2. Joseph, Egypt looks to you. Joseph. 7 soldiers on the truck were passing just as Joseph said. Joseph saw that food was gathered, ready for the years ahead. 7 years of famine followed. Egypt did not mind a bit. The first recorded rationing in history was a hit. So they all lay before Joseph's feet.
Mighty prince, give us something to eat.
Joseph found it a strain not to laugh, because not a brother among them knew who he was.
I shall now take them all for a ride. After all they have tried fratricide.
she